Well, greetings from the sales floor of Ellingson Motorcars here in Rogers, Minnesota, suburb of Minneapolis, Minnesota. Today we're going to talk about, for me, is one of the neatest old Plymouth convertibles I've ever seen. It's a 1958 Plymouth Belvedere Convertible. I'll give you the details in a minute. Well, greetings from the sales floor of Ellingson Motorcars here in Rogers, Minnesota, suburb of Minneapolis, Minnesota. Today we're going to talk about a 1958 Plymouth Belvedere Convertible. Oh my gosh, talk about a rare car. Now you're going to want to watch this entire video from start to finish because we're going to have a cold start. Wait till you see the motor in this car. Cold start, a walk around, give you all the details on the whole car and all that stuff. You don't have to watch the whole video, but I mean, you can. We appreciate it when you do. Now you can also click on the link in the description. It'll take you right to all the information on this car as well. Or you can go to our website at www.ellingsonmotorcars.com, where you'll find close to 100 classic and collectible cars and trucks that we currently have in inventory. And boy, do we have some nice inventory right now. Very, very neat cars. We kind of cater to this kind of clientele that likes really high-end cars, nice quality, and exceptionally unusual. I guess that's what I'd have to say. I mean, we've been doing this for many, many years, and I have never had another 58 Belvedere Convertible. This is the only one we have ever had for sale. Take a look at the overall quality of this car. It is just outstanding. It is a right color for everybody that likes these colors. It's jet black with canyon gold down the side inserts or whatever. Just a great color combination for 1958. Look at it. It also has the beautiful full hubcaps, special hubcaps, which is really neat looking hubcaps with the wide whites and what, I mean, it just is absolute. Oh, and even the radials. Those are the good tires. One of those big improvements you can do on these old classic collectible cars is you get the radial wide whites. They ride so much better and handle better, everything. Now, this car also has power steering, so that's not quite as critical, but it is just a really nice improvement. But take a look at that engine compartment. Oh my gosh, it is so cool. It's got the 2 4s on a 318 V8. I mean, it is absolutely just spectacular. I tell you what, it is. It looks nasty because back in those days, they were all just starting to come into the, you know, the performance stuff was growing on all the companies and whatever, and it's just really, really a special motor for this car. Look at the tail fins on this car. Oh my goodness, Plymouth was, I mean, they're almost like an airplane wing. It's so big in the back, but that is just also part of the really cool nature of a 1958 Belvedere. Now take a look at the interior on this car. Very, very nicely done. All correct for 1958. Beautiful instrument cluster that is still in place, kind of a pod, kind of, again, everything was kind of jet airplane orientated. That's why you got the little things on the fenders. That's why you got the spears that go back all the way, so it looks that way. And, you know, this has got the dual outside mirrors. Another real interesting feature, of course, for the Plymouth is a rear view mirror is mounted on the dash. Kind of one of those things you got to get used to. Trust me, you got to get used to it, but it's kind of cool when you have it there. Again, nice interior, nice black carpet. It's got a power top with a nice boot. It's a black vinyl power top, very, very nice condition. Dual exhaust. I mean, it's a little performance oriented. It has a really nice sound. Again, you probably want to listen to this and watch the entire video from start to finish. Dual antennas, of course, but yeah, that back end is that jet age look. You know, that's kind of what all the Chrysler products from that era was trying to go in that direction. Now you can find all of our stuff also on Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram. Give us a like, leave us a comment, or subscribe. We appreciate it very much, and you'll find all the information on this car, our current inventory, and you can find some of our old inventory that has been sold and moved on, but there's some neat cars in there as well. So if you're just perusing the internet looking for something for entertainment purposes, take a look at those sites. You might find that as well. But yeah, the forward look, that is kind of the thing that Mopar was doing in general, and this certainly has that. I mean, they made a very, low production. I guess we've been doing this for almost 30 years here. I have never had a Belvedere convertible ever, so it is just one of those kind of things. It's we have a very nice car all the way around. It's not was not from Minnesota is probably one of the factors that everyone asks us. Take a look at the underside in this car. Exceptionally solid. Very, very good car. And Mopars, unfortunately, if they came from environments where there was salt and crud, they didn't last well. They didn't hold up. That's why to find one that's in this kind of condition, all repainted, beautiful chrome, nice interior, nice top, and the great motor combo, this is about as good as you get. Now, if you're like me, I'd want to come down and look at it in person. Come on down. We are open Monday through Friday from 10 to 5 and Saturdays 10 to 4 as well. So we'd love to have you come down, take a personal gander at the whole thing. And I guess if you're looking for this to add to your collection, you want your first convertible out of the 50s, what would be more interesting and really special than a 58 Belvedere convertible? So we thank you for watching this video, and we thank you for visiting Ellingson Motorcars. We will see you next time.